they let us build stuff that we want to build, and they gave us encouragement of like never stopping and never to drop whenever you feel like it, because whenever it's harder, that means it's getting better.
We're at Carmen High School of Science and Technology. We've been having a great time here the last couple of weeks teaching the intercession course. This course is for privileged students who have passed all their courses in the first semester, and they get the chance to take an elective. So we're very fortunate that Yes was able to bring in our STEAM workshops as one of their intercession courses.
Left arm across, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 6, 7, 8.
Place the number 1 by the most important item. This is the list. The number 2 by the second most important item, and so on to number 15.
They really taught me how to start a business and how it works and how to manage a business. They really taught me that networking is a really big part of making a great business.
Just say it again.
I like this class called Yes and because I get to do stuff I never thought I could do, like fly drones, learn how to fix stuff. I think like by the end of this class, I might like be able to make stuff by myself.
So, soldering is really important. I could have done you a presentation on it, but I didn't know whether we had a projector. It's the basic way of making electronic things work, connecting stuff together.
Especially for young ladies in the class, I think it's really cool because I think that's something that society doesn't focus on a lot, is development of math and sciences for girls especially. So thank you so much for coming, we really appreciate it. That's all.
Just the first solder I did, the first getting the tip and the metal, took me 40 minutes. And I had to redo it and redo it and redo it.
I love all the members of Yes, they're really cool guys, and I've done engineering before. I've done it in my free time at home. I've soldered before. And I've always wanted to pursue more into it, and this class is, very helpful, and I just love all of it.
This runs off a wallboard. I just made it to show someone how to use it. How it's got a big LED. It's got a resistor. Now we need some more beams in that. Just wait till it warms up. Good idea. That is that you can have different size tips on them.
Hello, my name is Bobby Wilson, and right now we are taking a little soldering class right next door.
The black one. The black one. Gotta put them both like under the tip. Oh, yeah, like right there.
Just touch it on there and pull the two apart. Don't be afraid of getting it all nice and hot.
The field trips that we've taken and the different career paths and mentors that they've connected with has really given them a different perspective on how many careers are really open for them. And so I appreciate the time that Yes has put into our men and women here at Carmen, and I think they will walk away from this opportunity forever changed.
That Yes STEM has given time and resources to our students here at Carmen. I think our kids have a lot of untapped potential, and I think part of that is showing them what they could do after high school and kind of what are the different options. So I think the more we can expose them to different career fields, different career paths, especially in the math and sciences, which we know our students are really underrepresented in, I think is great. And so I really appreciate everyone's time and energy that went into creating a really meaningful course for our kids. They've really had a great experience and have learned a lot.